Okay, so this is how you can make a paper crane. Make them in different sizes, and you can make them out of anything. Okay. Firstly, if you want your crane to be coloured, put the coloured side paper on the table. Then fold it into a triangle. Then, once it's like this, fold it again. Once you've done that, put it up like this, face towards you, and put one side down. Then open the top side up and push it down. And fold it. Then do it again to the other side. There's a crease in the middle, fold it up to that crease, and then open and push it down again. Once you've done that, it should look like a square. Then, there should be a crease in the middle. The side that opens, fold it like a kite shape. Onto the crease, do it for the other side. And then flip it over and do the same. Now it should look like a kite. Fold down the top to here. On one side, then go to the other side. Then make it flat again. Open up the kite and pull one layer up to that crease that you just made, and then make it look like a boat and push it down to make a diamond. All the creases. Then turn it over, do the same thing. Open it up to that crease that you made before. Make it like a boat. And then fold it down. Then pick up one side and fold the corner to the middle flap. Make sure that it's in the center and fold. Do the same to the other side. Flip it over and again. If you wanted to make the bird so that it could fly, you skip this step and then continue on with the next step. So if you want to make it fly, don't fold these down. Then pick it up and open the flaps. Fold them back under and push this part up like this. So it's like that. Now fold it up. A lot of people get confused with this step, but you get it right after a lot of practice. So it should be like this. Then just fold it in half, all the way up the flap thing. Like that. Then do it to the same to the other side. So open it up. Then pull the bottom half up. Like this. Like this. Crease it at the bottom. And then fold it in half. Now you have a head and a tail. So usually what I do, pick the side that looks the worst, which in this case probably be either side, and flap, make another flap like how you just did. Pull it out, fold it down, then crease it in half. Then this is going to make your head. So you pull it back out again and squash it so that it makes a head. Pull it out, squash it again, make it however long you want. Do the same to the tail. Like this. Then pull it out so that it makes a nice box on top. If it doesn't, blow through the hole in the bottom. And there's your crane. You can make them any sizes, like small ones, big ones. You can string them up like this, since I have the blue theme going. And then you can just string them all up. Make a really long line of them and hang them in your room. So this is like a 9x9 size, 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters, and that's the medium size, which is this size. Or you can do, don't know what this one is about, looks like 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and that's this size, so it's pretty small. So that size, or you can make them even smaller, even bigger like the one I just made. This one's a little bit smaller, and this one's just made out of a Keno ticket sheet thing. So when you get bored, make them whatever you want. Make them in class, at school. Pretty fun.